is for auto rickshaw. Auto rickshaw. Zooming through the streets so quick, ha-ha. B is for bicycle. Bicycle. Pedaling so free, ring the bell, cycle. C is for cable car. Cable car. Climbing up high, reaching the stars. D is for double-decker bus. Double-decker. Hop on the top, it's even better. E is for electric scooter. Electric scooter. Riding so smooth, it's a fast commuter. F is for ferry. Ferry. Floating on water, light and airy. G is for gondola. Gondola. Swaying so slow, row, row, row. H is for high-speed train. High-speed train. Whoosh! It zooms like an airplane. I is for ice cream cart. Ice cream cart. Bringing sweet treats that melt the heart. J is for jitney bus. Jitney bus. Small but strong, just for us. K is for komatsu bus. Komatsu bus. Big and steady, no need to rush. L is for light rail. Light rail. Fast and smooth, it never fails. M is for metro train. The metro train. Underground, it speeds like a chain. N is for night bus. Night bus. Shining bright, no need to fuss. O is for omnibus. Omnibus. Carrying people, it's made for us. P is for pedicab. Pedicab. Pedal and ride, it's really fab. Q is for quick cab. Quick cab. Hop inside, zoom, no lag. R is for rickshaw. Rickshaw. Rolling along, it's never slow. S is for streetcar. Streetcar. Ringing its bell, it's not too far. T is for tram. Tram. Ding, ding. Let's go jam. U is for urban bus. Urban bus. Riding through town, in it we trust. W's for wagon taxi. Wagon taxi. Clip clop, ride so fancy. Next I is for yellow taxi. Yellow taxi. Wave your hand, it's quick and snappy. Z is for zip line. Zip line. Flying so high, it feels divine.